1,007, 1,008, 1,000. Oh, back again? Hello, friends. So on today's episode of How to Clean the Philips Fitness Equipment, we're going to grab our peroxide, grab our towel, and let's get to work. So you're gonna, get a nice spray onto it. Back here, it gets very dusty. You can go like that. You can see the dust on the finger. Camera quality. We're sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and you want to lift the dumbbells up, wipe the holder, wipe the metal behind, and then you'll just keep doing that as you go all along the line. And you have to make sure to get the bottom ones too. I know they're a little heavier. If you can't lift as much, use 2 hands or ask for some assistance for someone to help you take them off.
And always lift with your legs, not your back.
One more time.
Always lift with your legs, not your back. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.